is Sarah from the Bradley Public Library. I thought I would record a quick and easy craft project that you can do at home because I know you are all doing a whole bunch of reading while we are stuck inside, right? So I thought we would make some fun monster bookmarks. Super easy, super fun, okay? You will need some paper, any kind of paper, any colored paper, construction paper, craft paper, whatever you have around, even just plain notebook paper or printer paper, and you can color your monster. It doesn't have to be a colored construction paper. So I have that. Miss Sarah is a crafter at home, and so I have tons of scrap papers laying around. You need something with a straight edge. I'm going to use a ruler. You need some markers or crayons or colored pencils, whatever you think or come up with to decorate your monster bookmark, okay? Scissors, a glue stick or glue dots. I love glue dots, but I'm out. And then Google eyes. Can you see those? I have a little bucket of Google eyes, but if you don't have them, don't worry about it. All a Google eye is a big white circle, or it could be a smaller white circle, but it's a white circle with a smaller black circle on top. The only difference between making one with a piece of construction paper or using a wiggle one is you don't get that wiggle effect. But one made out of construction paper would be just fine. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to make the bookmark. All right, our first step is we're going to use our flat edge. I hope you guys can see. Let's see if I can turn my light a little bit better. There we go. And I'm going to draw out a bookmark. This monster one that I used, it was 6 inches long by 1 3/4 wide, but I'm going to make it just a little different to show you. So we can go 6 inches long. I like that length. And I'm going to go 2 inches wide. How about that? And then I'm going to draw. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to measure. I'm just using measurements to explain it to you. You can see that I didn't measure even perfectly there, so it's absolutely fine. And then you need another rectangle right next to it to make our nose for our monster. So let's see here. I won't measure it this time. I won't give it a good number. I'll just draw one that I know is smaller and would make a good nose. How about that? Okay. So then I am going to draw, let's see if I can draw just a little hook there to make the nose, okay? And then I'm going to cut it out. I hope you guys are being good for your moms and dads while we're all stuck inside. And I really hope you guys are doing a lot of reading. Don't forget that we have Libby. That's an app your parents can put on your tablet or their phone, and you can rent books that way. Even though the library is closed, you can borrow some books. You just search up you need your library card though, or mom and dad's library card to use Libby. There's also a ton of free resources out there for listening and reading books too. And Mrs. Hartman, or Miss Sarah to some of you. Sorry, you guys all know that I teach at the school too. I've been reading and recording, and Miss Allison's reading and recording, so you can check out the Bradley Public Library Facebook page for stories too. All right, so I'm done. I got my big rectangle for my bookmark and my smaller rectangle for my nose, and I'm going to make it the exact same way just to save on time. But like I said, you need to be as creative as you can. I'm going to take my nose and I'm going to put glue from the flat edge, not the rounded edge, the flat edge, to about the middle of the nose, okay? This is where a glue dot would be really cool to have because you just stick it and forget it. But I forgot mine. I ran out actually. I didn't forget. All right, so I'm going to glue that down about where I think a nose would be. You could do the eye first if you wanted, but and you see how the glue just holds right where it ends. There's still a little flap. I'm going to use a big Google eye, and I'm going put some glue on my eyeball. Press it in here. You could have 3 eyes or 1 eye or no eyes. And then I'm going to draw a mouth. See, it's going to even look a little different than my other. And I think this guy needs an eyebrow. What do you think? He needs an eyebrow. And I'm going to give him some dots on his nose. Here we go. So it's kind of the same as the other one. And then I'm going to use this white scrap paper that I have, and I am just going to cut out a few teeth. They can be rectangle teeth or rounded teeth or sharp pointy teeth, whatever you want. Remember, it's your bookmark and it's your creative imagination that you're using to make it. Okay. You don't have to have teeth if you don't want. Everything's kind of up to you. I think I need one more tooth just to be silly. Okay, let's see. There we go. And there's my monster bookmark. I can use scrap papers to make clothes or stripes or designs like I did on this blue one. But watch this. This is what the cool part is. Let's move that light so it's not so super bright. You take your favorite book, and while you're reading, if mom says, "Come on, it's time for dinner," you can use your bookmark to mark your page. The nose is what will be the part of the bookmark that will tell you what page you're on. So you put the big part behind the page you stop at, and the nose on the page you're reading, and close it up. And after dinner, you can get right back there and you can sniff out the page you were on. I hope you had fun with this art. I can't wait to see some of them. Post them in the comments. See you soon.